word family, replacing the initial sound. In, we're going to put a B in front of that. Bin, we're going to replace the B with the D. Din, we're going to replace the D with an F. Fin, we're going to replace the F with a P. Pin, we are going to replace the P with the CH. Chin, we are going to replace the CH with the GR. Grin, we're going to replace the GR with an SH. Shin, we're going to replace the SH with an SP. Spin, we are going to replace the SP with an SK. Skin, we're going to replace the SK with a TH. Thin, we're going to replace the TH with the TW. Twin,